me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Alright, you guys, so I got my first dash at Chick-fil-A. It's for 3.6 miles for $6. So I'm about to go inside of Chick-fil-A and go get my order. Alright, so they ordered lunch, and it's not lunch yet here, so they told me around 7 to 10 minutes they'll get the order in. But you guys, so how I do for Dash, how I accept my orders is, okay, so it has to be at least $1 per mile. So for instance, this order is 3.6 miles, and it's $6. So $1 per mile, it beats $1 per mile, and that's why I chose it, because it's $3 more that I can add to, you know what I'm saying, my personal amount, because you know you gotta take gas. You gotta take the amount out for gas. So yeah, that's how I calculate or determine if I'm going to accept the order or not. $1 per mile. If it's under $1 per mile, say like say that they're giving you $5, but you have to travel 10 miles. So that is over $1 per mile, because you're only getting $5, but you're driving 10 miles. So basically you are driving more and putting more gas into your vehicle than you are receiving the funds. So that's how I look at it. And I learned that off of a DoorDash and Facebook group. So yeah. So let me go back in here, because it says I have to be there at 10:20. It's actually 10:23. Maybe I'll wait a few minutes and then go in there, because they're just now getting breakfast over with. So alright, y'all, so before I leave to go to Chipotle, I just got a $6 dash for 3.6 miles again. So I am on my way to Chipotle. So yes, I will pick you guys back up. Last dash went well. All right. Look, y'all, I dashed in the hood. That was the hood. I said, I gotta get me some pepper spray. Cause yeah. All right, I will pick you guys back up in a few. Y'all, so I got another order at Chipotle. So that one was for 0.4 miles, and it was for $6 also. So yes, that's where I'm on my way to. My 2 deliveries for Chipotle. All right, first order for Chipotle done. Going to my next order. And this is 2.2 miles. I think I said 0.4. It's 2.2 miles. Oh shoot, I think I gotta turn around. Oh, okay. Oh, child. Girl, listen.
Turn left onto 2nd Street.
When you
then turn left onto 7th Avenue.
When you are dashing in a place where you're not familiar with, it can be a little stressful, because you know what I'm saying, you don't know the highways, you don't know the roads, but we are getting it in, okay? So let me drive safe and put my seatbelt on. I'll pick you guys back up. Alright, y'all, so
turn right onto
I am on my way to Taco Bell just to sit. So with dashing, the Dashers app, they have hot spots at the bottom where it's most likely you're most likely to get orders at. So I'm on my way to Taco Bell just to sit until unless something comes through. But I had got lost a little bit, so I was like a couple minutes late because they have a time. If you have never dashed before, they have a time where you have to deliver it. So I think I was like 3 minutes late. So hopefully they don't say nothing about that. But I was just saying, like when you're dashing around this time, like it's important to like have like a big time slot, just because like traffic during the daytime, you're gonna, you know what I'm saying, run into some traffic, especially if you're in a city. Traffic plays a big part in how much money that you make and stuff. So because, you know, you're sometimes you're away from the hot spots, you're away from all the places that people order from. So the time that you have to get back to the hot spot, somebody, you know what I'm saying, orders go to other people. So, but yeah, I'm about to pull up to Taco Bell, and I'll pick you guys back up when I get my next order. So far I made $19.
Turn right onto Chinkopin Round Road.
I made $19, so that's pretty good. I've been dashing since 10. It's now 11:30, so an hour and a half. I guess it's good. But I'll pick you back up. Alright, as y'all see, yep. Oh, hold on, y'all. So 4.6 miles, and I get $6 to Burger King. So I'm going to do that. Alright, to Burger King we go. Okay, so I don't know where I left off. So I had a Burger King order. It was for 4 miles, and it was for $6. So I did that. And now I am at a order from Market in Maine. It's for $5 and 2 miles. So let me go into get the order, and I'll pick you guys back up. So I got my order, and I'm on my way to the customer, which is only 4 minutes. It's only 4 minutes away. So
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right onto Chesapeake Harbor Drive.
after this, it's 12 o'clock. I'm gonna go and eat some lunch for 30 minutes, if that. And yeah, so far so good. Busy. When I tell you it's so much busier in like you know, bigger populated areas than it is like small towns, because it's been non-stop. Literally, it's been non-stop, which I like, because you get a chance to make more money. So but yes, it's going great. I will definitely pick you guys back up in a few. Okay, alright you guys, so it's currently 1:45. I took an hour break because I had to go handle some business. So I'm back in the area, and I'm on my way to Taco Bell, to the hot spot, to see what I can pick up.
At the light, turn right onto Farragut.
So I'm dashing until 4. So yeah, got a few more hours to get this money. Alright, I'll pick you guys back up. I just got an order for $6.75, and it's 4 miles. So I'm on my way to Playables right now. I got done with that order, and now I have another order. It's at Sammy's Pizza Kitchen. It is for $8.50, and it was for, I forgot the mileage, y'all. I think it was for like 6 miles. Yeah, so let me go in here and get it. It's currently 3 o'clock, so I have 1 more hour, and then we're going to and I got 1 more hour, and then I get to let you know how much I made all in all, if you haven't been counting. So yeah, let me get this order, and I'll be right back. So yeah, y'all, before I get off of here, traffic, because it's time for the kids to get out of school, people getting off of work, traffic, it's a lot of traffic right now. So like, we're in rush hour, so this next hour I'll probably be going through a lot of traffic more than, you know, anything. So yeah, but we're getting there. Alright guys, so I got a order for McDonald's and it was for
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left onto cobblestone.
$5 and it was 2 miles. So I'm sorry y'all, my camera is so focused on the steering wheel. So yes, going to McDonald's. Okay y'all, so I got my last DoorDash for $9.25 and it was for 5 miles at Rita's. So I'm on my way to the destination and I will pick you guys back up. Alright y'all, so I was editing this video and I realized that I forgot to tell you guys how much I made and what was my experience DoorDashing, and was it worth it? Like, is it really worth it? So I just want to say that my experience DoorDashing, I feel like you can make a decent amount of money if like you're in an area where you get a lot of dashes. You have like promo, which promo is where you get like, it might have like a plus $3 for a certain area. So every dash you make, you get $3 per tip. So that helps actually. And according, like, I feel like time too, like if you're in an area where it gets like a lot of traffic during a certain time, that could like affect how much you make. So with that being said, I want to let you know how much I made. So I made $61, y'all. I dashed for, well, the time that I signed up was for 6 hours. But I actually only dashed for 3 hours and 7 minutes because y'all know I had to take that 1.5-hour break because I had to do some business. So I basically made like $20 an hour. So I feel like that's pretty decent for just 3 hours. I probably could have made more if I probably would have not taken that 1.5-hour lunch break. But yeah, so let me know if y'all feel like it's worth it. I don't know if y'all DoorDash or anything, but you know, do you DoorDash on the side? I don't think I will be able to do it full time. I don't. Not in my area where I'm at. So if you like this video, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you are subscribed. And I'll see you next video. Bye.
Can't focus on me.